What's up guys, welcome back to techminepro YouTube channel. So today we are back with another video, and today's video about this website called FaucetPk, and this is also a legit website. You can earn free Tron, Litecoin and Dogecoin, and it's totally free. You don't have to do any investment or deposit. It will be totally free, so you don't need to worry about this, about any investment. So you can see the statistics of this website. It have almost 4,000 withdrawals, and this amount total coin earned, and these are total user of this website. And you can earn by faucet every 2 claims. Every claim you can get 2 coins every 5 minutes, and you can also earn with short links, lottery, PTC, auto faucet and more. So you can see all the statistics of this website, and it's 100% legit website. You can work here without any hesitation. So before starting the video, if you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, this is our YouTube channel. This is very important to subscribe our YouTube channel, because I will bring more interesting video in the future, and this video will be potential to earn money, especially cryptocurrency. So if you didn't subscribe, so must subscribe our YouTube channel, and also turn on all notification. This is also important to turn on all notification, otherwise you will not get notification of my new video, so must enable it. So let's go to the next. First you need to sign up the website. Just click on the register and sign up. Here you need to input your email, password, and enter your confirm password and complete the captcha, and then register your account. So I'm already registered, so I'm just going to log in. So I'm just logged in the website, and you can see my balance, and I have only 6 coin in my balance, and you can see. And you can withdraw in Tron in your FaucetPk wallet, and it will be instant, so there will be no worry about the payment. You will get the instant withdrawal, so you can see. And there is no minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw any amount in your FaucetPk wallet. So let's take in the here. So you can earn from manual faucet, auto faucet, short links, PTC and task. That's it. So this is the manual faucet one, you can see. So today's video about the automatic this website via Termux, so you don't have to claim it in the website. The Termux will do it for you. So first you need to install the Termux app. In the Termux app, you will get the Termux app download link in the video description. Go check video description and get the Termux app. So open the Termux app. Also you need the Termux scripts. So Termux scripts download link will be given in the video description. Go to the video description and download the script file. This is the scripts file, you can see, FaucetPk. Just download it from the video description. So just extract it. So I'm extracted here, you can see I am extracted here. This is the folder. Okay, so now go back to the Termux. So before run the scripts, you need to install all the basis command. These are all basis command you need to install. Okay, so install all the basis command. If you didn't install all the basis command, the Termux script will not work, so must install all. Okay, so go back to the Termux. Now you need to copy the full path of the folder. Just press long and copy the full path. Just click on copy full path, and then go back to the Termux and type Termux setup. Then type storage. then type Y. Now type CD space, then paste the copied full path. So I'm just paste it and then type enter, then type ls, then type php bot.php, then enter. After that you need to input your user agent. So for user agent you need to go to the website and then go to the manual faucet. After that go to the developer tools. Now just refresh the page. After refresh, go to the developer tool tab and search for faucet, and you will get this section called faucet. Just click on that and just scroll down and you will get the user agent. Just copy it and paste it in the Termux. Now you need to input the cookie. For the cookie, go back to the Q browser and just copy the cookie. So I just copy it and just paste it in the Termux. Okay. So you can see my balance is showing. It's mean my account is connected successfully. So now wait for the timer end. So you can see I just claimed one coin. One coin has been added to your balance and my new balance is 7. So you can see I just also claimed my second and one coin also transferred in my balance. Okay, so let's see. So PTC is no more, so now we'll go for the manual faucet one. So you can see my new balance. I got 2 coin and this is from manual faucet. So now let's check in the website. Go to the dashboard and you can see my new balance. I have 12 coin in my balance. So now I can withdraw it in my FaucetPay wallet. So you can see 1 coin equals to 100,000 Satoshi. So you can withdraw in the FaucetPay wallet. Okay, so it's mean the script is working smoothly and perfectly. So use it and enjoy it. If you're getting any error while running the scripts, you can join our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. You can join here and you will not get join this Telegram channel if you didn't want to miss any update. We always active in Telegram, so must join our Telegram channel and also join to the Telegram group. This is our Telegram group. You can join here and ask any problem. We'll solve it together. So also join to the Airdrop Hunter channel for legit airdrop daily. We share legit airdrops, so must also join to the Airdrop Hunter channel. So that's all. Thanks for watching video and goodbye.